Multimedia with example. Multimedia in computer graphics refers to the use of multiple forms of media, such as images, video, audio, and text, in the creation of computer graphics. Here are some key points to consider when working with multimedia in computer graphics. Multimedia enhances the visual experience. Multimedia can greatly enhance the visual experience of computer graphics by allowing the use of multiple forms of media to create more engaging and dynamic images and animations. Multimedia enables the creation of interactive content. Multimedia also enables the creation of interactive content, such as video games, simulations, and educational software, where the user can interact with the images and media on the screen. Multimedia requires large amounts of data and processing power. Creating multimedia graphics requires large amounts of data and processing power, as the computer must store and manipulate many different forms of media at once. Multimedia can be used for a variety of purposes. Multimedia graphics can be used for a variety of purposes, including entertainment, education, advertising, and more. Example. A simple example of multimedia in computer graphics is a video game where the player controls a character that interacts with the world on the screen. The game might use images, video, audio, and text to create the world and characters, and the player's actions and interactions with the world would be displayed in real time using computer graphics. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.